today I'm going to teach you how to make the best tres leches cake. Let's get started. For the cake, we need sugar, milk, flour, baking powder, salt, and 6 large eggs. For the cream, we need condensed milk, evaporated milk, cinnamon, and heavy cream. In a medium bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. In a stand mixer filled with the paddle attachment, beat together the eggs and sugar on medium-high speed until light and fluffy. Add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. With the mixer on low speed, add half the flour mixture, then the milk, and then the other half of the flour mixture. Mix well to each addition. Lightly grease a 9-inch pan with butter. Pour the prepared batter into the pan. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake until golden brown. Into a medium saucepan, pour in the condensed milk, the evaporated milk, heavy cream, and the teaspoon of cinnamon. Bring to a boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat and simmer for 2 minutes. Stir occasionally until completely combined and smooth. Set aside for 5 to 8 minutes to let the flavors meld. It's out of the oven. Once out of the oven, put coals in it with a fork and then pour in the cream. Pour in the cream. cake will soak up all the cream. Now, let's make the whipping cream for the decoration. For the whipping cream, we need 2 cups of heavy cream, powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, whisk it together. The cake sucked up every bit of cream. It's just like a sponge. Spread the whipping cream on top. To finish the cake off, sprinkle it lightly with cinnamon. Enjoy! Put into the refrigerator so the whipping cream can cool.